If you're around Mission and you want a quick hike that gives you a little bit of everything, waterfall, forest, lake, this is definitely the one you want to check it out. This is Rolley Lake Provincial Park nearby Mission City. It's a low elevation coastal forest, so expect some lush greenery, moss and ferns. The loop connects the Rolley Lake and the Rolley Waterfalls at some point, which we might discover soon. This little hike is easy to moderate. It's basically for all the levels, and it will take about 3 to 4 hours, I would say, around the lake. Honestly, this trail is perfect if you want something short but still rewarding. It's got lake view, forest, waterfall, all in one loop. A lot of people come here for fishing. This lake is stocked with rainbow trout and cutthroat, and I saw some people fish from the shore or from their kayak, and you can do it too. I think what I've heard is this place is beginner friendly, and just don't forget your BC fishing license. I want to see how deep this little area is for future swimming purposes. To be honest, this is my first time in Rolley Lake. So far I'm loving it. It's amazing. The hike is great. Not too many bugs. The lake itself is not too big. It's swimmable. You can bring your boat, but don't forget, it cannot be motorized. You only can use paddles. The weather is awesome. Right now I think it's 25, 26 degrees Celsius. Can ask for more. And oh, check this out. Hoo-hoo. It's a downhill. Yes, and I'm hearing some waterfall. Bruh. You're by the waterfall right now. What is this sound? Oh, there's more. Oh. This is, wow, one of the coolest hike I've ever been. Oh, wow. Holy. I think, if you can see, I think that's Stave Lake. That's another nice lake. I used to go there for boating. Did you see it? I think people are talking about that waterfall. Yeah, that's the waterfall.
But how you go down and where you can shoot?
I think the next point is better. That one, right there. So this waterfall is the main waterfall that people come for. But the one we went, the small one, that's the fake one. I spent like half an hour taking videos and shots. I mean, this one was beautiful too, but there's not much access to it. So I still like that little fall. For the second, the biggest fall, you gotta come downhill about 5 minutes-ish. But the small one, you don't need to go up or down. Many of you are wondering why I'm wearing jackets. Honestly, I have a fever and I feel cold right now. Although I'm sweating, I feel pretty cold. I don't think it's allergy because I'm not allergic on springtime. But yeah, sore throat, nose running, and a little bit cold. So that's why I choose a really short, easy hike. I'm already tired and I'm so, I mean, I can't wait to go home and take rest, because I have a goal to upload one video per week, either Saturday or Sunday. So it might be a short video, this one, but I kept my promise to myself. So yeah, thank you for watching and consider subscribing. You know, it's free, but it means a lot to us. I appreciate it. Here, how clear the water is. Holy, wow. It's windy, that's for sure. Somebody left there. Oh, somebody left their fishing stuff here. Yeah, they're gonna come back for it, so. Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this kind of video, please like and comment below what you like about these videos. And if you have any ideas for my next week plan, comment it. And if you could please subscribe, it will mean a lot to us. I will catch you guys next week. Chucks.